So Wednesday morning, after a night with some rain, the garden's feeling really refreshed. It's amazing how it cleans up the plants as it washes off any dust, and it just freshes them up as they enjoy getting welcome moisture. So we'll just have a wee walk around and check on things. Bluebells coming up in there. Of course the leaves on the acers really coming out now, well above our heads. Whole canopies. Wood pigeon nesting up in there. And the ferns looking good. Glaucidium palmatum, podophyllums, and trilliums, all really doing well. So we see arisemas and trilliums coming up through the dicentra, and more podophyllum, spotty dotty in there. These beautiful leaves. Just everything's looking refreshed after some rain. As much watering as you try, you never get the same benefit as some constant light rain through the night. It probably won't have penetrated deep through the ground, but it certainly makes a difference. Here's the bed with the collapsed dicentra leaves, which even they are trying to pick themselves up, the ones that haven't been burnt off. But I'm going to go in there today and later on and try and get that out while I can find it and put it in a more appropriate spot. It's just out of scale in that small bed. So around we move, and the big rhododendrons. Around put another beautiful red acers and rhododendrons with their red bracts and fresh green leaves. The raised bed. Look how fresh the Corydalis Craigton blue. Buds galore there, so soon this will be a real show. Around there's the erythroniums and trilliums. Up the top, the rhododendron, Rex victolacteum. Up there, these wonderful flowers. Great clusters, very high up. Probably close to 3 meters up. Really great big. Size of your head when they fully expand. So that's the big rhododendron. And if we come down and compare that to some of the smaller ones up here by the seat, we have Rhododendron primuliflorum. Tiny little clusters of flowers, a real little beauty. And then a form of racemosum. Beautiful. Yellow, now is that merganza. Past the bed. Corydalis micronopetala coming out. Across in the distance there, Rhododendron solense jucundum. And then up, Rhododendron fortunei, heavenly scented. Really nice. But again, very tall rhododendron now. That's round there by the pond in there. We'll not go up there just at the moment, we'll just continue around this spot to see how the bare bit there that's going to be reworked, where that was all the lots of Corydalis in there, they've gone down now. I can see just here where the leaves are, so I'll go in there and lift some of these baskets and split the bulbs. So we come around here, Fritillaria, a yellow form of Ophinus. It's big lilies. You can see again how the Dicentra cucularias collapse. Shallow rooted, very shallow. Their bulbs right at the surface. Fritillaria ponticus. Big clumps, really nice, good garden plant. Dactylorhizas coming through. Bigger Dicentras, they can cope these are the Eximia formosana hybrids. They've got bigger thongy roots that sit a little deeper in the soil, so cope with the moisture. And also they're in more shade, so less evaporation here. Round. Some lovely trilliums, the Gothenburg pink strains. Some of the sessiles. Big one there. Chloropetallum kurubiashi, possibly a hybrid. There's another one really nice down there. And that deepest colour there is what Ovatum does. Starts out pure white, and as it fades it goes to this deep, deep colour. Big leaves in the background. Cardiocrinum giganteum. That's going to be a flower spike there. There's another flower spike there. There's more around that won't flower this year, but hopefully will flower next. Fritillaria pallidiflora. Fritillaria paranoiacus. And here we come round to more trilliums. Looking really happy in the trillium hybrids, erectum hybrids. We've lots of different forms and hybrids around the garden. And there's a Trillium erectum itself. Across another area was a granite seat and an old mushroom stone, antique mushroom stone. And then we'll just come back round to the rock garden. Will soon be full of most of the erythroniums have gone over. Meconopsis galore have self-seeded, so soon be a massive blue. Round here, one of the best if you're looking for a relatively small rhododendron that will flower its heart out every year. Dora almateus. Absolutely stunning. Does this every single year. And that's 30 plus years old, so it's more a spreader than a height gainer, so it never going to grow too tall. So that's the erythroniums, hopefully lots of seed maybe setting there. Round back to the raised beds, the bonsais. Some of the troughs, alpine troughs just starting to wake up and get going. Round there and round to our swing seat where I'll sit for a while and hope for more rain tonight.